Hello everyone, and welcome. Glowing Star. Today, we are going to start with energy, focus, and no distractions. In a moment, you will see an image that we will describe using basic, intermediate, and advanced English. This will help you improve your vocabulary, listening, and speaking skills step by step. At the end of each level, we will learn new vocabulary words and their meanings to expand your English even more. Get ready to learn, practice, and enjoy the process. Let's begin right now. Basic English. A loving woman preparing a healthy dinner for her family. In this beautiful image, a woman is preparing a healthy dinner for her family. She is standing in a warm and comfortable kitchen. There are many fresh vegetables on the table, such as broccoli, tomatoes, lettuce, and peppers. She is smiling because she loves taking care of her family. The woman is mixing a colorful salad in a large bowl. Her husband and children are nearby, watching her with happy faces. Everyone looks peaceful and relaxed. The kitchen is clean and bright, creating a pleasant atmosphere. Preparing healthy food is an important way to show love. The woman chooses nutritious ingredients because she wants her family to be strong and healthy. Every meal she prepares is made with care and dedication. The family enjoys spending time together before dinner. They talk, laugh, and share stories about their day. This special moment helps strengthen their relationship. The image reminds us that food is more than something we eat. It is also a way to express love, kindness, and gratitude. A healthy meal can bring people together and create wonderful memories. The woman's effort and affection make the dinner special for everyone. Her actions show that love can be found in simple daily activities, especially when caring for the people we cherish most. Vocabulary. Healthy. Dinner. Family. Kitchen. Vegetables. Salad. Love. Care. Strong. Happy. Together. Smile. Fresh. Kindness. Memories. Intermediate English. The importance of preparing nutritious meals with love. This inspiring image portrays a caring woman preparing a nutritious dinner for her family. She stands confidently in a welcoming kitchen surrounded by fresh ingredients that will soon become a delicious and healthy meal. Her expression reflects happiness, responsibility, and affection. The colorful vegetables on the table represent the importance of maintaining a balanced diet. By selecting fresh and natural foods, she demonstrates her commitment to her family's well-being. Cooking is not simply a daily task for her, it is an act of love and dedication. Nearby, her family watches with admiration and gratitude. The atmosphere is filled with warmth, peace, and unity. Moments like these help strengthen family bonds and encourage meaningful communication among family members. Healthy eating habits play a significant role in improving physical and mental health. Through her efforts, the woman teaches valuable lessons about nutrition, responsibility, and compassion. Her children learn that preparing meals requires patience, effort, and attention to detail. The image beautifully illustrates how food can bring people together. Sharing meals allows families to connect, celebrate their relationships, and create lasting memories. The woman's devotion transforms an ordinary dinner into an extraordinary experience filled with love and happiness. Her actions remind us that caring for others often begins with simple gestures performed from the heart every single day. Vocabulary. Nutritious. Inspiring. Balanced diet. Commitment. Well-being. Dedication. Admiration. Gratitude. Unity. Bonds. Communication. Responsibility. Compassion. Patience. Devotion. Advanced English. The transformative power of love, nutrition, and family unity. This captivating image symbolizes far more than the preparation of an evening meal. It represents the profound connection between love, health, and family cohesion. At the center of the scene stands a devoted woman whose actions demonstrate that genuine care is often expressed through thoughtful daily responsibilities. Surrounded by vibrant vegetables and wholesome ingredients, She carefully prepares a nutritious dinner designed to support her family's physical well-being and emotional comfort. Her gentle smile reflects fulfillment, purpose, and an unwavering commitment to those she loves. Every ingredient selected and every movement performed reveal intentionality and affection. The surrounding family members contribute to an atmosphere characterized by harmony, appreciation, and mutual respect. Their presence emphasizes the significance of shared experiences and meaningful interactions. In a world increasingly dominated by distractions and busy schedules, family meals provide a valuable opportunity for connection and reflection. Furthermore, the image highlights the educational value of positive family traditions. Through consistent examples of care and responsibility, children develop healthy habits and learn the importance of empathy, gratitude, and service toward others. Ultimately, this scene serves as a powerful reminder that nourishment extends beyond physical sustenance. Love, encouragement, and togetherness enrich the human experience in immeasurable ways. The woman's dedication transforms a simple dinner into a lasting expression of compassion, unity, and enduring family values. Vocabulary: captivating, symbolizes, profound, cohesion, devoted, wholesome, fulfillment, unwavering, intentionality, harmony, appreciation, reflection, empathy, sustenance, enduring. Great job today. Glowing star. Today, you made progress, and if you continue practicing like this every day, you will become better and more confident in English step by step. Remember, every small effort brings you closer to your goals. Keep learning, keep improving, and never give up. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new today. I'll see you in the next video, specially made for you. Rocket.